Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about Solana today. You guys can already see off my chart that price has came to our ultimate TP price from a video that we produced on the 16th. So here it is, the 28th. A couple of days later, the market in Solana came and hit our TP yesterday, 19.31%. Let's get rid of it. Now let's break this down to see if Solana still has enough momentum to continue to go higher. Could this be the top crypto pick of 2024? Because obviously, as I zoom out of this price chart, starting back to 2023, the market in Solana has taken a massive move higher. So yeah, it's definitely in the camp to be a cryptocurrency to see positive gains for 2024. We've only got a couple more months left before 2024 is in the books. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So real quick, you guys can see that the downtrend line which we created is now broken. We can get rid of that. This particular sell zone down here is finished. We could get rid of that. The buyers were able to take the sellers out of this particular zone. We could get rid of that. So the only sell zone that is currently at the doorsteps of the buyers is this sell zone right here around 186, 185 to 190. So the question now is, can the buyers take these sellers out of this zone? Because the last time price in Solana came here, which was back in May, you guys can see the reaction. The buyers were not successful. So now this is their second attempt. What do you guys think? Let's look at a couple of different time frames to see if the buyers will be successful at breaking this market to the upside. What do you think about this 2-day chart? Does it look positive to you? To me, it does. Here it is on the 3. Does this look positive to you? To me, it does. Let's go on the 4-hour, the 4-day. Does this look powerful to you? It does to me. Here it is on the 5. Does this look powerful to you? It does to me. Here it is on the weekly chart. You get what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm talking about? You don't have to do a whole lot of research in the market just to figure out, okay, what is the feel? Is the market mostly bearish? Is it mostly bullish? Currently, the bulls carry the market right now. They're dominating Solana. So what we're going to do is simply continue to go forward with the idea that Solana is a buy. Here it is on the 2 weeks. 8 hours and 17 minutes left. Do you think the buyers will be successful in taking these sellers out the way? I do. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Now, these are some very powerful, bullish indications that we're seeing on a 2-weekly and a 3-weekly time frame. In the next 8 hours and 16 minutes, let's see how the price prints. We want to see the market close on the high of this 2-weekly price bar as well as on the 3 weeks. We want to see that close there. Even on the 5. This is definitely bullish on the 5-weekly time frame. So that means that we at least have to give the market this much time, 2, 3, 5 weeks, to allow this play to set up and to actually come to fruition. We have to give it that much time. Because if we don't, then we might be acting irrationally, trying to hurry up and get in and get out. But the strength is being seen on the longer term weekly time frame. So let's go ahead and do this because that looks bullish. That definitely looks bullish on the 5-weekly chart. Okay. So now we need to identify where would be the next sell zone in the market in Solana if these buyers take out the sellers at 185. So let's scroll over here to the left a little bit. And I think you guys can see where we are at. This is going to be our next target into the market for Solana. Okay. So since that I think that we're going to get rid of this sell zone, I think the buyers are going to take the sellers out there. We're going to get rid of it. Okay. And then zooming all the way back to the highs back in 2021. This would be our second zone. Okay. Right here. So what we're going to do is drop another prediction, looking for price in Solana to continue to go higher in price. Now, there's 2 buy zones. Here's a buy zone, meaning that this is where buyers are keeping the market propped up. They're not letting it fall below that zone. And here's the other one. Okay. So I really like this one down here. Okay, I don't want to see the price action. Let's say that the buyers get tired, they run out of money, whatever the case is, and price comes down. I don't want to see it break right here below 155, 153 on weakness. If that's the case, then this price prediction will not pan out right. So now, here's our first target, either at the low of this sell zone or at the high, or even in between. But if the market hits our high, that gives us 14%. If it hits it at the low, that gives us 9.25%. Okay. Then our other target is going to be all the way at the low of this upper sell zone, right there around $230, $240. That gives us 26.5% there. Now, like I said, we're looking at the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the 5 weekly time frame, because that is where the strength is really being seen. So for us to see price hit $232, $233, we got to at least give it 3 weeks, 5 weeks to let it play out. All right. So we are there with our current idea. You guys are up next. If you guys appreciate my videos and my content, definitely come on board. Join me as we continue to walk through these crypto charts in a simplistic way. That's not hard. That's not confusing. It's simply us paying attention to what everyone else is doing. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.